Thinking about starting a bun production business? Watch this before you invest a single rupee.
Build a strong, elastic gluten network. Weave in those microcellulose fibers to get that airy texture. Have to use gentle methods to keep that delicate architecture intact.
Have you ever wondered what makes a soft bun, well, perfectly soft? You know, it's not just about the recipe. There's some serious science going on.
Okay, just look at this. Seriously, this beautiful web-like structure. This is what gives you that perfect chew, that incredible softness. But how do you get there? What's the secret sauce? What is actually happening inside the dough to create something so elastic and, well, perfect?
And here we have them. First up, you've got the gluten network. Think of it as the muscle, providing all that strength and stretch. And then you've got these microcellulose fibers, which bring the soft, airy texture. They're basically a dynamic duo, working together to make that perfect bun.
So really, it all boils down to 3 simple things. Step 1, build a strong, elastic gluten network. Step 2, weave in those microcellulose fibers to get that airy texture. And step 3, the most important one, protect it. You absolutely have to use gentle methods to keep that delicate architecture intact.